if you chose to use Levanter bot in my WhatsApp bot course, okay, so those of you that are using Levanter in my WhatsApp bot course, so and you find it difficult to get session ID on your DM, so this video is for you. So in this video I will show you how where you will get your section ID, okay, after you connect your WhatsApp with Levanter. Okay, so let me show you. So you come to this site, as you can see here, you get the link. Also I've attached the link. I've attached all the link in which you can use to get your section ID. I have attached it to this video. Okay, I've attached it to this video. Okay, so let me show you now. So once you click on the link, you get to this interface. So I will advise you to let this interface to be on desktop side. So you come to this, you click on the three. Can you see this three line already? This three line. So once you click on it and you scroll down, you to desktop site. Can you see desktop site? So just click on desktop site and you have all this there. Okay, this is what you need. So as you can see here now, section, deploy, inverse, plugins, profile picture, and frequently asked questions. So you click on section. Okay, so once you get the section, what you need to do is to use pairing code. Like I said, pairing code. Okay, so now click on pairing code. Can you see this? So you see you add your number. Sorry, let me add my number. Plus 234 9072 11 96 22. So now get pairing code. So I wait for you to generate the code. So I need to copy the code and go to my WhatsApp now. Can you see now? So I need to copy it. Can you see I have the notification already? So I click on it. So once I confirm it, I use mobile data and your pen. So now let me paste it. I paste the code here. So it's logging in. So let's wait for it to log in. So it's very simple. It's very simple. I have already told you, if you want me to help you to deploy the boot, make sure you have gotten your section ID. Get your section ID, just come to my DM. I will help you to buy the coin, just 2,000 naira per month. Are you getting me now? Yes, I'll help you to buy 100 coin. I'll help you to deploy your boot, just 2,000 naira, okay, per month, just equivalent to $1, okay. So and the transaction fee. So now the boat is connected. Can you see? Before, you will just need to get your section ID on your DM like this. On your DM. So before it is like this. You get it from your DM here. Okay, you get it for your boss. Now it's not on your DM again. You can see nothing is here again. Okay, so where you need to go to the website. Okay, so now let's go to the website and you will see the code here. Can you see? So they just updated the website. Do you get? So you can as well get session ID on your DM and get it on your on the website. Okay, so I believe you will get the tutorial very well like this. Okay, so but let me try and show you again so you can get it. So this is my section ID now. So but I want to do it again. So let's say you come to your website, you come to the website like I said. So once you reach this interface, can you see this up here? You can see use custom session ID. So receive session on your WhatsApp. So use receive session on your WhatsApp if you want to receive session ID on your WhatsApp. Okay, use it. Okay, click on this. If I uncheck now, you uncheck. I can. Okay, can you see now? So I will receive the session ID on my WhatsApp now. Do you see? So now, can you see connected? So now I click on it again. You insert your number. You insert your number. Insert your number 97211 9622. So if you don't want to come back to the website, it's as easy as that. Okay, just copy it as you can see now. So you get the notification and you paste your, you can see, you paste your details, paste the code here. So once you paste the code, the section ID will be sent to your WhatsApp. Do you get? So I see now. So it has been connected. So let me check. I see another section ID has been sent. Can you see now? So these are the section ID. So you just have to use it and get your and connect your boot. So but if you feel like okay, you want me to help you to do, just send me section ID and send your 2000 rand. So I'll be able to help you to deploy your boot on a server and I'll be able to manage it also. Okay. So thank you and see you in the next video. God bless you.